Hello, my name is Justin. I'm having a jolly day. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button in the face and like that like button so you can't know more. So today, I am super excited because we finally got my new background. So you guys don't have to look at my room because it's messy and disgusting and I don't think anybody wants to look at it. Yeah. Anyways, I'm so excited for that, and in this video, we are going to be doing kind of like a chill out video, but I'm going to be telling you a story time. So, this story time is when I fell off a cliff. Not literally, but I did fall off a tall hill. Yeah. So, it was a Sunday, and we were going to bike riding. I was going to bike riding with my dad and my family, and, sorry, we were playing, and we were riding, and we went on this trail. So we had been all doing good when Brooke, which is my best friend Sydney's cousin, Sydney is a girl in my best friend tag, so my best friend Sydney's cousin, she hadn't ridden in a very long time, so she came riding with us, and she fell. So she had a crash, and she fell. And there had been a hill on the side that kind of curves just like this. So I'll do it the other way. Kind of curves just like this. It goes around. So it goes around. Ooh, around. And I had gone up it. So I was going up when I realized they had So Kenny, who was in the background, Sydney's dad, he had went up front to help Brooke, and so I had gone up that curvy hill that you guys saw me doing, and I had gone up it. And when I realized they were gone, I had turned around. So I turned around, and I was going, and suddenly I was trying to find them because, I want to find them. And well, bam, I just smacked, and I fell off, and most people would think it was the worst experience of their life, like ow, it hurt, I actually thought it was the best because I felt like I was a bird. I felt like I was flying, and I've always wanted to fly. So it was a very fun moment for me, and yeah. Also, you guys, my hair is very messy because I had it in a pony, and it kept falling out, so I just decided to put it down. And my hair is naturally curly, so it puffs up all crazy. And yeah. So, I had fallen, and I had been, felt like a bird. I was just flying. I felt like I was just flying. It was one of the very best experiences I'd had because I've always wanted to fly. And I got to fly. And it was amazing. And luckily, I pushed my motorcycle away from me so they wouldn't fall top of me, and yeah, that was good. But when I fell, I thought that no one was ever gonna come back for me, so I started crying because I didn't even know how long the trail was, and I started crying because I might be here for a really long time, and nobody helped me. Now Sydney's dad Kenny said he saw something after the accident, said he had saw something in the corner of his eye go up the hill. But he didn't know it was me, so he didn't come. And, yeah. Soon, got my Dutch bros. Soon, my dad and Kenny got back, and they said that Liza was like, "You're missing a kiddo." And they're like, who? And my dad is just like, "You're missing Jocelyn." My aunt is just like, "You're missing Jocelyn." And so they came running back. They said as fast as they could, which I doubt it was as fast as it could because it took them a while. And they got back, and I had been on the corner of the hill just praying and praying and praying, and I just wanted them to come find me. I just wanted to pray and pray. I just want to help. And they got there. They helped me. And when they got that back, they're like, what happened? What happened? And I'm like, I went up the hill and everything. And I told them the story. And they were like, oh my gosh, like, why did we have to do that? And really, I'm not going to blame it on anyone. It was really nobody's fault except my own. And, yeah. So, and when I got back, they gave me some Advil. So I was fine. I laid in the truck for a little bit. My head was a little bit achy. And, yeah, that was good. Also, if you guys didn't know why I'm looking down so much, it's because I have slime. So if you guys like slushy slime, I know, like, this isn't a slime video, but if you guys like slushy slime, I got a berry refresher slime. It smells like heaven. I love it. And it's like gel. It's like gel, kind of, not really. But I mix it together and you get this color. If you get it, it's so relaxing on my hands. It just is like gel, kind of. And it's just so soft and squishy. And you can just listen to it. Also, she sends borax, so don't worry. And, I used some of her borax, and it just turned perfect. And it's just so stretchy, and I love it. This slime is called Berry Refresher Slushy Slime by Monsters Things on Etsy, just so you guys know. And, yeah, so that was my clickbait story, falling off cliff, falling off hill. Same thing, kind of. And, yeah, I also got my Dutch Bros. My favorite drink from Dutch Bros is their blended caramelizer cold. I love it. It's delicious. Dutch Bros, please sponsor me. Love you, Dutch Bros. Please sponsor me. And please like, please subscribe. I only have 1 subscriber, and I really do want more subscribers. And the more, if we can get this video to 100 likes, then I will review more about my life, and I will do a challenge. So I'll let my brother choose a challenge for me to do. So he'll choose a challenge. He'll be in my videos. And so if we can get this video to 100 likes, my brother gets to do a challenge, and you guys get to see me in misery. And yeah, so please like, please subscribe, and yeah. Bye. Have a jolly day.